Andres, congratulations on the health safety measures being taken by Aeromexico to help rebuild trust in travel. How has the journey been for Aeromexico through COVID?
Thank you, Shashank. I'm very happy to be here to discuss all these important matters. Obviously, these last 18 months have been a very disruptive for our industry, but definitely it has helped us, rethink how we think and how we actually want to bring back trust to our customers. And talking a lot with our customers and understanding how perception has changed and how behavior has changed after this pandemic, we understood that health and safety measures were at the very top, right? So, in order for us to bring customers' trust back, we implemented a variety of process and measures that were very successful in our market, right? So. Yeah.
And one of the things that's unique about Mexico is that it's one of the few countries where the domestic growth has been phenomenal. I believe numbers are back to 2019 level, if not ahead. How did Aeromexico deal with that?
Yeah, that's a very good point. I mean, at the peak, we were operating at 5% of our capacity, and yes, last month we actually have more domestic passengers than pre-COVID. So definitely a very strong recovery in our domestic market. Actually, the transborder market between Mexico and the US is recovering strongly as well. So that definitely is putting us in a different position. But again, I think it's about working as an industry to really put the measures so our customers can travel safe.
Health safety is now, but the future is about sustainability.
Yeah.
And I believe Aeromexico has some major initiative towards ensuring a sustainable future as well.
Yeah, sustainability is something that we take very seriously. I think that as an industry, we need to collaborate and find solutions that can help us grow, right? Because, I think that as an industry, we have very strong growth ambitions, and that could only be achieved if we actually work in a more sustainable environment. And I think that it's important to understand that in this topic there is a reality and a perception, right? And I think that from a perception standpoint, this is an industry that has been hit a lot in the press, and I think it's good because it puts pressure on us, and it will make us act faster. But in reality, I think that it's important that we understand which are going to be those key projects that we collaborate, because we are all talking about how can we lower our emissions. At Aeromexico, we have a fleet plan that will renovate an aircraft, and that for sure will help us. But obviously we are taking all single-use plastic. There are a lot of initiatives that we are working on, but it's important that we communicate that and that customers understand what are those footprints within the industry, so they can take better decisions when they are choosing.
That's fantastic. So you're removing single-use plastic from the flight?
Yeah, we're removing single-use plastic as of next year. Yeah,
that is really encouraging. Going forward, where do you see Aeromexico growing? Where do you see Aeromexico creating a competitive advantage from other airlines in competition?
Yeah. Well, I think that as an airline, we want to put our customers in the center of everything that we do. And I think that mentality with Mexican hospitality is something that differentiates Aeromexico. Something as well that we have been working and investing a lot is in creating a personalized experience, right? And I think that's important because that creates opportunities for our customers to really create their own experiences, but at the same time, it helps us to introduce new products and services that can be purchased from our customers, right? So I think that it's finding that balance between product, but at the same time personalizing those experiences for our customers.
That's fantastic. The future definitely seems brighter. There are silver linings around the dark clouds we've seen in the industry, and I really look forward to flying Aeromexico soon and experience the health and safety measures. And thank you for being on the board of Apex Health Safety powered by Simple Flying. You're truly helping the industry progress and raise the standard.
Thank you, and we will be always collaborating. As I mentioned, I think this is an industry matter, and we all want to keep raising the bar and make sure that our customers are safe when they travel. Fantastic. Thanks for inviting me, and always a pleasure.
Thank you, Andres.